Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to install Adobe After Effects plugins. First, extract the zip file containing the After Effects plugin. If you're on Windows, right-click the zip file, select Extract All and click Extract. On a Mac, just double-click the zip file to extract it. Now, locate the plugin file. Most After Effects plugins come as .aex files. If you don't see one, check inside subfolders like Windows plugin 64-bit or Mac plugin 64-bit. Next, copy the AEX plugin file to your desktop. Right-click the file, select Copy, then right-click on the desktop and select Paste. Then open File Explorer Windows or Finder Mac. On Windows, right-click on the Start menu and select File Explorer. On Mac, click the Finder icon. Now, navigate to the After Effects plugin folder. On Windows, go to C, Program Files, Adobe After Effects, Support Files, Plugins. On Mac, go to Applications, Adobe After Effects Plugin. After that, create a new folder for the plugin. Right-click inside the plugin folder, select New Folder, and name it after the plugin. Now, move the .aex file into the new folder. You can drag and drop it or copy and paste it. Finally, if After Effects is already open, save your work and restart the application. Once restarted, you can find the plugin in the Effect menu at the top. Now, your After Effects plugins is installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.